Hello everyone, my name is Weikang Guo, and today I want to talk about paper. Compared with saving water and electricity, the concept of saving paper seems more distant to us. We seldom think that saving paper will have any direct relationship with protecting the ecological environment. We are now facing the serious problem of lack of resources and environmental pollution in this era. For our living environment, for the sustainable development of economic society, saving environmental protection has been imminent. Paper is a necessity in our life, and a precious resource that we can master in our hands. We can't do without paper, either in life or in office. The invention of paper is a great contribution to human civilization. What we can do is to make this civilization continue. Up to now, the main raw material of our paper is still trees. We all use paper every day, in various ways, but do we really care? Do we count the amount of paper we use every day? How about a week? A month or a year? The trees used to make paper take decades or more to grow, but we can waste dozens of them at a time because of printer mistakes and throw them in the trash. Paper is created to consume a lot of resources. We should of course recycle it. Waste paper recycling is very good for us. We use recycled paper fiber for paper recycling, which can greatly reduce the emission of forest, water, electricity and pollutants. For every ton of paper we recycle, 0.8 tons of recycled paper will be created, 17 trees will be saved and 3 cubic meters of landfill space will be saved. Of course, with the development of science and technology, paper is no longer a necessity for people. Now many companies or organizations are advocating paperless office, minimizing the use of traditional paper. Using electronic documents can make the office more convenient, easy to store and carry. Personally, I have not used traditional paper for office or study for a long time. After I came to the United States to study, I bought an iPad, and I will store the learning materials I need to use in the electronic version of the iPad. Although I have not counted how much paper I saved, but I think the amount saved in 3 years should be a lot. In people's daily life, of course, the use of paper is not just office use, such as toilet paper, but I think it is also a good substitute products. Remember a few years ago I went to Thailand tour, check-in hotel. When I want to use the toilet paper I found that I could not find any. Beside the toilet I saw a small shower. I just know originally toilet paper is not a must. Of course, we can't assume that just a little bit of toilet paper might not be used a lot in a day. But what about a month or a year or a decade? Everything adds up. Just like the traditional energy we use, coal and oil. When we first discovered and used them, everything was so convenient. But as time goes by, more and more traditional energy generated carbon dioxide accumulation, resulting in the deterioration of the natural environment now. There is an old saying in China called 1,000 miles without a single step, so we should start now. Do your best to cherish the Earth's resources and leave waste in the past.